In this video, I will show you how to download Toffee application to your smart TV or Android TV in Bangladesh. I can subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. If you are in Bangladesh and want to install the Toffee application to your smart or Android TV, this is what you can do, especially if you've not seen the application on your App Store and you don't have Google Play Store installed. So this application is an alternative downloader. If you don't have downloader on your Android TV, just look in the description of this video. There is a link there that is going to guide you to get downloader on your Android TV. Once you get downloaded on your Android TV, all you have to do is to launch it. So what downloader does is that it helps you source anything from the internet and download or install to your Android TV. So if you're in Bangladesh and want to get Toffee app, just use downloader and search Toffee app. Once you search Toffee app, we're just going to go ahead and click on go. And downloader is going to show us the source on the internet where you can install the Toffee application to our Android TV. So when you search here is Toffee application. So you just have to come over here and click on it. And if you're in Bangladesh, you're going to see the install button and you can go ahead and install the Toffee application to your smart or Android TV in Bangladesh. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.